Hello, teachers of the world. Hey, everybody in virtual universe.
Welcome, everyone.
Thank you to all the teachers that are here.
We have thousands of science teachers here.
You are the intellectual lifeblood of the globe.
Of civilization itself.
We're here to support you and help you.
How do we keep teachers teaching?
How do I reach that kid?
It's not the demos. You know what they want?
They just want to know, why is writing backwards in a mirror?
They want to be in the presence of a teacher who has lost his or her mind.
This amazing bubble snake.
Somebody so excited, so passionate about learning.
Teachers are natural storytellers.
The Smithsonian may or may not be haunted. Is that true?
On Mythbusters, we learned about physics from crashing cars.
Oh, here we go. We've got a slow motion replay.
Your students are going to be the ones being our astronauts.
Teachers should run the world.
Teachers are so creative. You can't fake it. You have to be ready tomorrow.
You gotta come into that room, bam, kick open the door. The kids are like, "Wow!"
Answer was both. It was both. Everyone was right.
I love it so much.
Don't think that when you go to college, the specific knowledge is what you're applying. No.
Who cares if they can remember what mitosis or meiosis is?
You go to school to learn how to think.
We want a society where they can look at evidence and make valid claims.
Do you know the difference between a scientist and a 5-year-old? Height.
That's how science works. So I'm screaming at you. I'm sorry.
No, man, I like it. I love the passion. You're like the Samuel L. Jackson of science right now. Say science again.
So if you go down to the bottom of the site, you'll see there are a ton of links and lessons.
2,500 3D objects.
Hundreds of thousands of students in 60 plus countries.
This is my 15th year teaching.
Here's a pathway that I built, pulling material from different sources.
You want a mastodon skeleton or a T-Rex.
I added in my own lectures.
You are going to win the I can't believe this is free award.
Free should be as good as you can get.
And it's free for all of you to join.
It's on us to make everything we make freely available online.
Free should be awesome. We have the resources in this world to make that happen.
Welcome, everyone. This is the second. Welcome to ScIC 3, ScIC 4, ScIC 10. Welcome to Science is Cool from PocketLab.